If you're a university student or studying online, you're probably juggling lectures, assignments, deadlines, group projects, notes, emails, and a calendar that's filling up faster than you'd like. The challenge isn't just studying, it's staying organized. After spending more than 35 years managing large and complex projects, I've learned that success often comes down to having one place to organize everything. That's exactly what caught my attention about routine. Today, I'm going to show you how students can use routine to organize an entire semester, from lectures and assignments through to exams, and why I think it's one of the most powerful productivity tools available today. Let's jump in. Most students don't fail because they're incapable. They struggle because information ends up scattered everywhere. You've got lecture notes in one app, assignments somewhere else, your calendar on your phone, reminders on sticky notes, files spread across folders, and emails containing important information. By the middle of the semester, everything becomes difficult to keep track of. Project managers solve this exact problem every day by creating a single source of truth. That's exactly how I'd recommend students approach their studies. Everything should live in one organized workspace where tasks, notes, projects, and your schedule are connected together. Routine is much more than a digital calendar. Think of it as an AI-powered workspace. It combines your calendar, task management, notes, projects, contacts, and AI into one application. Instead of jumping between 5 or 6 different apps throughout the day, routine brings everything together. One of the things I particularly like is that every piece of information can be linked together. An assignment can connect to your lecture notes. Those notes can connect to your study schedule. Your study schedule connects to your calendar. Everything works together instead of existing in isolation. That's exactly how project managers organize major projects, and it works just as well for students. If I were starting university today, this is exactly how I'd organize my semester. First, I'd create a workspace for the semester itself. Inside that workspace, I'd create a project for every subject I'm studying. Each subject would contain lecture notes, assessment tasks, due dates, revision material, and useful resources. During lectures, I'd capture notes directly into routine. Whenever the lecturer mentioned an assignment, I'd instantly create a task linked to those notes. I'd then schedule dedicated study sessions directly into my calendar using time blocking. As exams approached, I'd create revision tasks, organize practice questions, and build a structured study plan. Instead of wondering what I should be doing every day, routine would tell me exactly what needs my attention. One of my favorite features is quick capture. Great ideas never arrive when you're sitting comfortably at your desk. They happen while walking to class, traveling on the train, or talking with classmates. Rather than trying to remember something later, you simply capture it immediately. Within seconds, you've recorded an idea, created a task, or saved an important reminder before it's forgotten. It sounds simple, but it's one of those habits that dramatically improves organization over time. One lesson I've learned from managing projects is that if you don't schedule your priorities, something else will take their place. Routine makes time blocking incredibly easy. You can allocate dedicated study sessions, assignment work, revision periods, and even breaks throughout your week. Instead of hoping you'll find time to study, you've already reserved that time in your calendar. That simple change makes a huge difference. This is where routine really stands out. Everything can be linked together. Imagine clicking on an assignment and immediately seeing your lecture notes, related tasks, deadlines, and supporting documents. That's incredibly powerful because you're never searching for information. Everything is connected exactly where you need it. Students often think of projects as something businesses manage. In reality, every subject is a project. It has objectives, deadlines, deliverables, milestones, resources. Routine allows you to organize each subject exactly that way. It's the same structured approach used by professional project managers around the world. Sometimes, typing isn't convenient. Routine lets you capture ideas using your voice. Whether you're driving home, walking across campus, or simply away from your keyboard, you can create reminders and tasks instantly. It's surprisingly useful once it becomes part of your daily routine. Routine is continually adding more AI capabilities that reduce repetitive work. Instead of spending time organizing information manually, AI helps categorize, connect, and manage your workspace. That means you spend more time learning and less time managing your study system. One reason I'm excited about Routine is how well it complements online learning. If you're enrolled in any of my project management companion courses or preparing for certifications like PMP, Prince 2, or Agile, you can use Routine to organize your entire learning journey. I would create a project for each course, add every module as a section, link downloadable templates and reference material, schedule weekly study sessions, and track my progress through each lesson. Instead of simply watching videos, you're building a structured learning system that keeps everything organized. That's exactly the mindset used by successful project managers. No application is perfect. Routine has a learning curve because it's far more capable than a simple task manager. You'll probably spend a little time learning how everything fits together. But once you've built your own workflow, the payoff is significant. Like any productivity tool, the more consistently you use it, the more value you'll get from it. If you'd like to try Routine for yourself, I've included my partner link in the description below. If you're studying project management or looking to build professional skills, you'll also find links to my project management companion courses. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you're currently organizing your studies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.